severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:45 a.m. for Lee County. At 2 a.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located from Sterling to Ohio, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Amboy, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Nelson, Harmon, Woodland Shores, Eldena, Lee Center, and Nakusa. This includes Lee County Fairgrounds and Sauk Valley College, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 69. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather